Hello, good evening. This is Doc Severson for the ReadySetCrypto OMNIA trade of the day for Monday, the 10th of May. Overall, we have red markets today, and this is also hitting tech stocks in the U.S. equities markets as markets are rotating towards value and away from risk at this point. And that is also coming along with the Indian variant news, I think, which is kind of upsetting risk markets across the world at this point. All right, Bitcoin is showing a little bit of softness today. And as we talked about this weekend, this could be setting up as a weekly lower high. Again, not the end of the world. It's not terrible if this happens. If we zoom out to the weekly chart, we can see that this is just a big range-bound affair and maybe even setting up a weekly ascending triangle pattern, which would be extraordinarily powerful if that were to occur. So if this does drop down here, I would expect to see the price holding as support down here in the lower 40s, down in this range. And that could come very quickly if it does break this ascending trend line here, which can be best seen on the 5-hour chart. If we reset this, you can see these series of higher highs and higher lows. If this breaks this trend line, I've actually got an alert set on this guy. You can do that by right-clicking, adding alert to the trend line, and be emailed if it does break that, which could come at any second at this point. So price has been range-bound really since the middle of February. So even though we've had a nice kind of grinding uptrend during this point, the transition to a lower low, lower high in this point says that price is just range-bound inside of this. Now, we have a very different situation here with Ethereum, which is just piling on the points at this point. I don't think this is the flippening, air quotes around that, but the volume has been pretty good on this breakout to the upside. You can see rising volume across the board as the price is rising here. Again, I do expect this to pull into a big consolidation zone. And actually, that's what I want, is for this thing to consolidate and to fully digest this move and to get set up for the next move in the summertime. So huge move, more than hit my expectations for high 2000s for this. In fact, blew them away by almost 2,000 points at this point. Overall, we are red. We do have some exceptions here, like Stellar Lumens is breaking higher from this sort of cup with handle pattern. And at this point, the target for this is going to be about the measured move from 40 cents up to 70 cents. So if we tack another 30 cents onto there, that's going to be about $1. So that's the target for the measured move on this pattern for Stellar Lumens. That's it for today's report. Thanks for listening, folks. See you tomorrow.